back to the channel real quick. I am working on this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I came out and diagnosed this a while back. I'm in a friend's garage, and basically this alternator not charged. Okay, did a test on the battery, it passed. Alternator only pushing out 12 volts. Actually, it's not doing its job. So, but before, you know, y'all know the drill on testing alternator. If not, I have a previous video that I go into detail on how the charging system work. Anyways, this particular alternator failed. So what I'm gonna end up doing is replacing it. Now, I want you to be careful on some of the 2011, 2012, I think 2013s, I'm not sure, but this alternator is a recall. So do not, I hate when my subscribers' cars end up in the aftermarket shops getting repairs that they could easily get done for free simply because they don't know. That's why I always suggest and highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because I will keep you up to date on this stuff. Well, anyway, here's the alternator that I am about to install. I don't want to waste too much time. It's not that hard of a job, fairly easily. Get a couple things off, the belt off, and the alternator unbolt. I'm only doing it because there's no one here at his shop right now, and I can't hang around here all day. So let's get to it. First thing first, we need to unhook the battery. Take away the vehicle's electrical system. Never, ever work on a car with the battery still connected. Okay, so let's get this battery out. All right, we got the battery removed. Now we can get the alternator off, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I have the old alternator out. Here's the new one that I'm going back in with. A couple of things of note you need to keep in mind. The way you had this position terminal before you remove it, just memorize how you had it, the alternator facing when you get ready to take this off. All right, so other than that, I don't want to bore y'all with the installation, so I'm gonna put the new alternator in and we're gonna complete this repair. I'm almost 100% sure this is my problem because I diagnosed it and tested it by the book. Okay, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.